Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that OpenGPU token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, OpenGPU is a high performance computing HPC designed to move workload across distributed GPU infrastructure in real time. Instead of acting as a marketplace or a single cloud provider, OpenGPU functions as an orchestration layer above GPU supply, centralized clouds, independent data centers, and individual GPU operators all become interchangeable execution targets within a single global network. OpenGPU enables AI interference, training, rendering, and data intensive workloads to be routed dynamically based on performance, availability, and cost without vendor lock in or regional constraints. OpenGPU project institution rating is 3.5 and this project audited by Ceritic. OpenGPU token total supplies 21 million and circulating supplies around 19.63 million OGPU token. OGPU token is listed on gate.io, MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.